Good morning, students. Welcome back to your GK and aptitude class. Today we will start chapter number 8, Constitution of India. What is a constitution? A constitution is a system of laws and principles to govern a state, a country, or an organization. Okay, it is a system of laws and principles to govern a state, a country, or an organization. The Constitution of India was written under the guidance of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and it was executed on 26 January 1950 when our country became a republic. Okay. Now there are some questions related to the Constitution are given below. Answer them. Help box is given for you. Okay. From here you will select the answers. First question is, some questions related to the Constitution are given below. Answer them. First question is, name the President of the Constituent Assembly which drafted our Constitution. The answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. How many languages are recognized by the Indian Constitution? 22 languages. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. How many articles, parts and schedules does the Indian Constitution contain at present? 448 articles, 22 parts and 12 schedules. Okay. When did India adopted Tiranga or tricolor as her national flag? July 22nd, 1947. How much time did the Constituent Assembly take to draft our Constitution? It took 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Number 7. By which amendment was the term secularism added to our Constitution? That is 42nd Amendment. Number 8. List the national goals that are mentioned in the preamble of our Constitution. Democracy, socialism, secularism, social, economic and political justice. Okay. So this is the answer. You will write it down in your book and then learn it. Now let us move on to chapter number 9. Cities on river banks. There are many cities in India which are situated on river banks. Okay. You have to identify the pictures and read the clues. Write the names of the river which flows in that cities. Okay. So, help box is given for you. You have to identify the rivers. Okay. And the cities which are located on the or situated on the river bank. Yamuna, Gomti, Brahmaputra, Ganges, Sabarmati, Mahanadi, Sarayu, Hooghly, Jhelum. Let us see. First one is Taj Mahal, that is in Agra, on the river bank of Yamuna. This is situated. Okay. This place is Taj Mahal, which is in Agra, is situated on the river bank of Yamuna. Kashmir is situated on the river bank of Jhelum. Ahmedabad will be Sabarmati. Okay. Cuttack will be Mahanadi. Kolkata will be Hooghly. Lucknow will be Gomti. Guwahati will be Brahmaputra. Baraj will be Sarayu. Haridwar will be Ganges. Okay. So we have completed chapter number 9. Let us move on to chapter number 10. Okay. You will write these answers in your copy. Let us see what is there in chapter number 10. Statue of Unity. What is Statue of Unity? Statue of Unity is world's tallest statue in India? Okay. Statue of Unity is world's tallest statue in India. It is a giant statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Can you see this statue? This is a giant statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay. He was India's first Home Minister who had united 562 princely states in pre-independent India to build the Republic of India. Okay. So here are some interesting facts about the Statue of Unity. It was first announced on 7th October 2010 by Mr. Modi when he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat. When Mr. Modi was Chief Minister of Gujarat, at that time only this statue was announced on 7th October 2010. It is located between the Satpura and the Vindhya mountain ranges near Kevadia town in Gujarat. Over 3,000 workers built the statue within 3.5 years. 3,000 workers worked to build this statue and it took them 3.5 years. Okay. Statue of Unity will turn into green color from its original bronze color shade in 100 years due to natural aging process. Okay. So this Statue of Unity will turn to green color from its original bronze color shade in 100 years due to natural aging process. Okay. 4 lifts are fitted in the statue's legs that can carry 26 people in just 30 seconds to the top. So in the legs of this statue, 4 lifts are fitted so that in one lift it can carry 26 people in just 30 seconds to the top. The statue faces the Narmada Dam and is located on a river island called Sadhu Bed. Okay. The statue will be able to withstand earthquakes. Okay. There will not be any problem to this statue even in the earthquakes also. So here we complete our chapter number 10 also, Statue of Unity. So today we covered chapter number 8, 9 and 10. You will write the written parts. Okay, the questions that are given, you will write down the answers. You will read this Statue of Unity and learn. Okay, so today we end our class. So till then, take care. Bye and thank you, children.